Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the KCET 2023 maths paper, which happened day before yesterday. That is on 20th May 2023. That paper is done. All right. So we will discuss that question, guys. All right. It was a quite a simple paper. All right. Some one or two questions were lengthy. Otherwise, it was a very moderate paper compared to the last year paper. Right, let us start, guys. Question number one. Before I start, guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all our classes. And if you've already subscribed, please do share this video at the end of the session. Right, question number one. Y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x, y square plus a plus dy by dx the whole square. And then you should check whether it's a function of x, function of y, constant term, or what it may be. Okay, so if I differentiate this, let's call this as equation 1. If I differentiate dy by dx is equal to differentiation of a sin x is a cos x, and differentiation of minus b sin x, differentiation of b sin x is b cos x. Okay, a differentiation of b cos x is minus b sin x. Okay, this is dy by dx. I'm supposed to find out what is y square plus dy by dx the whole square. If I substitute here, y value is a sin x plus b cos x the whole square. Right, and then plus a cos x minus b sin x the whole square. Now let us simplify this. This should equal to a square, okay, plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2ab sin x into cos x. Okay, and then plus a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, b square sin square x minus 2ab sin x cos x. This will cancel. Right, this I take a square common, cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Take b square common, cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So this becomes a square plus b square. Right, so this should be constant. Answer is option A. A square plus b square is neither a function of x nor a function of y. So it should be a constant term. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. So this was a question on binomial theorem. F of x is equal to, if you take this entire term, it's an expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Use binomial theorem and expand 1 plus x whole power n. You will get that only 1 plus nx. Actually, this is the expansion of binomial theorem, right? X plus a whole power n is equal to nc naught x to the power of n plus nc1 x to the power of n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x to the power of n minus 2 into a square, and so on. Last term will be equal to ncn a power n. This is an expansion of x plus a whole power n. If I use this formula, what is 1 plus x whole power n now? 1 plus x whole power n is equal to nc naught 1 part something is 1, nc1 1 part something is 1 into a, that is x. Similarly nc2 into x square, and so on up to ncn x to the power of n. This is an expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. nc naught is 1, right? nc1 is n, nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay, and so on. ncn is 1, so this is x to the power of n. So this is an expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Right, now if I differentiate, I am supposed to find out what is f double dash of 1. F dash of x is equal to n into 1 plus x whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay, f double dash of x will be n into n minus 1 into 1 plus x whole to the power of n minus 2. This is f double dash of x. right? I'm supposed to find out what is f double dash of 1. F double dash of 1 will be equal to n into n minus 1. In place of x, you put 1 plus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. This is n into n minus 1 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. If I differentiate once again, nx power n minus 1, right? Sorry, this becomes n minus 2. This becomes n minus 2. Answer is option C. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 3. What is AB into A into B is equal to I? I'm supposed to find out what is matrix B. See, A into B is equal to I, right? This A you shift on the right side. You will get B is equal to A inverse into I. Okay, so B is equal to A inverse into I is A inverse. What is A inverse now? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Am I right, guys? A inverse is 1 by determinant into adjoint. Determinant of A, if I find out here, determinant is equal to 1 minus and minus is plus, you get tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2. So this is 1 by sec square x by 2. Okay, into adjoint. Adjoint is what? Interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of other elements. So this is minus tan x by 2. This minus will become plus. So this is plus tan x by 2. Adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. Interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of other elements. Okay, now this is B is equal to 1 by cos is 1 by sec is cos, right? So this is cos square x by 2. Okay, and then this is same as A transpose, right? A transpose is what? First row will become first column. Let me find out here itself. A transpose is first row becomes the first column. And second row becomes the second column. This is A transpose. Okay, so B is equal to cos square x by 2 into A transpose. Answer is option B. That's right, answer is option B only. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. This is NCERT exemplar question only, which I did in the most expected questions. Du by dx, I can write directly, right? So this is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. The same as cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is same as tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. All are equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, all are equal to 2 tan inverse of x. This u is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse of x. And v is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is also 2 tan inverse of x. Now if I differentiate, you get du by dx is equal to 2 times differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. dv by dx is equal to, again differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. du by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. dv by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square. Both will cancel. Answer is 1. Answer is option A. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. The function cortex is discontinuous on every point of this set. See, tan x is tan x will be 0. Tan x is 0 means x should be equal to x is equal to n pi, right? Right. Now this means that cortex is not. So this means that cortex is not defined. Cortex will be equal to infinity when x is equal to n pi. N is an integer. That is cot 0 will be infinity. Cot pi will be infinity. cot the 2 pi will be infinity, and so on up to cot of n pi will be infinity. Cot of any multiple of pi is not defined. N is an integer. Cot of any multiple of pi is not defined. So f of x is equal to cot x is discontinuous when x is equal to n pi. N is an integer. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. The function f of x is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2. The points of discontinuity of the composite function f of x. Okay, first let me find out what is f of x. Y is equal to f of fx is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to, this is 1 divided by 1 by x plus 2 plus 2. If I cross multiply and shift to numerator, it is x plus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So this will be discontinuous when 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Denominator 0 means this is not defined, so obviously it is discontinuous. 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is discontinuous when x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Question number 7. There's a similar question in NCERT worked out example and in exercise as well. Y equal to x square plus 1 is an upward parabola. Y equal to x square plus 2 is an upward parabola which will be shifted 2 units up. A soldier placed at the point 3, 2 wants to shoot down the jet which is nearest to him. Let's say nearest point is this. General point is x, y. Alright, then in the shortest distance, I should find the nearest distance. If I use the distance formula, PA equal to root of x minus 3 the whole square, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. Now PA is equal to root of maximum minima should be done in terms of one variable only. From this I can write y minus 2 is equal to x square. So x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 is equal to x square. So this becomes x square the whole square. PA is equal to root of x power 4 plus x minus 3 the whole square. Now PA is equal to root of f of x. Now fx is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x minus 3 the whole square. Okay, this is fx. Now let us use maximum minimum for this. If I equate this to 0, f dash of x is equal to 4x cube plus 2 into x minus 3. Just a sec, guys. Yeah, after finding the first derivative, so I can multiply this, right? F dash of x is equal to 4x cube plus 2x minus 6. This is f dash of x. After finding the first derivative, I'll equate this to 0. There is 4x cube plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. If you divide by 2, if you divide throughout by 2, you get 2x cube plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right, by inspection x is equal to 1 is the root, right? It's a cubic equation. Therefore, by inspection, x is equal to 1 is the root. So this can be written as 2 plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is the root. Other roots can be found out, that is other roots are actually imaginary. So if I substitute in equation 1, y is equal to 1 plus 2, y will be equal to 3. So this point is 1 comma 3. If you want, you find double derivative. Double derivative will be more than 0. Obviously, you get shortest distance, minimum distance. If I use the distance formula now, PA is equal to root of x minus 1 minus 3 the whole square. 3 minus 1 the whole square, or 1 minus 3 the whole square. Okay, and then plus 2 minus 3 the whole square. This will be equal to root of 4 plus 1. PA is equal to root 5. PA equal to root 5 units. Answer is option A. No shortcut can be applied. It's a miscellaneous worked out example question of NCRT, and no shortcut can be applied. Let's move to the next question. Okay, even this shortcut I taught you. If you have, suppose, like this, this is A to B f of x with any power, f of x power n. This is f of x power n plus f of a plus b minus x whole power n dx. Answer is always equal to b minus a by 2. Right, so this is fx is equal to 5 to the power of root of 10 minus x. Okay, and then denominator you see f of, change x to lower plus upper minus x will be 10 minus x only. So this and this is the same form. Answer is b minus a by 2. 8 minus 2 by 2, which is equal to plus 3. 6 by 2 is 3. Answer is option A. Isn't it, guys? Let's move to the next question. Question number 9. So this is equal to integration of root of cosec can be written as 1 by sine minus sine dx. Okay, root of 1 minus sine square whole divided by sine dx. Root of 1 minus sine square is cos square whole divided by sine x dx. Okay, and then root of cos square x is equal to cos x. This is cos x divided by root of sine x dx. This is of the form f dash of x divided by root fx. F dash of x by root fx is equal to 2 root fx. So this is 2 root of sine x and plus c. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 10. See, I'm supposed to find out what is f dash of x. This is f dash of x. F circle g of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. It's okay, Varun. Don't get dejected. Wait for some time. Wait for your results. Wait for your ranking. A cube minus b cube is a minus b the whole cube. X minus 1 by x the whole cube plus 3x into 1 by x into a minus b, that is x minus 1 by x. F of g of x is equal to x minus 1 by x is g of x, right? So this is g of x the whole cube plus this will cancel. This is 3 into g of x. Now if I differentiate this, now f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x. Okay, f dash of x is equal to Differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of 3x is 3. Answer is option B. Okay, question number 11. A circular plate of radius 5 centimeter is heated. Due to expansion, its radius increases at the rate of 0.05. So dr by dt is equal to 0.05 centimeter per second. Okay, the rate at which its area is increasing, I should find out dr by dt. Area is increasing when the radius is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Yeah, we will discuss why above. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. dr by dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. So this is 2 pi, radius is equal to 5.2 and dr by dt is equal to 0.05. That is 5 by, okay, 0.05. So if I multiply this 0.05 into 2, so this is 5.2.10 into pi. Now if I multiply this is 0.52, this is pi centimeter square per second. Answer is option A. Okay, question number 12. The distance s in meters traveled by a particle t at time t is given by displacement s is equal to 2t cubed by 3 minus 18t plus 5 by 3. This is displacement. I should find out the acceleration when the particle comes to rest. Rate of change of displacement with respect to time is velocity. So this is 2 by 3. Differentiation of t cube is 3t square. Differentiation of 18t will be equal to 18. Okay, this will cancel. Now velocity is equal to velocity is equal to 2t square minus 18. This will be the velocity. Right, whenever the particle comes to rest, velocity v is equal to 0. It's mentioned given here. Particle comes to rest means velocity v is 0. So 2t square minus 18 is equal to 0. So from this I can write 2t square is equal to 18. T square is equal to 9. T square is 9 means t equal to 3. Okay, now I should find the acceleration when time t is equal to 3. Velocity v is equal to 2t square minus 18. Right, acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity with respect to time is equal to 4t. This is equal to 4 times time t is equal to 3, which is equal to 12. This is 12 acceleration, right? Meter square. It is given unit is meter square per second. Answer is option D. Okay, question number 13. A particle moves along the curve x square by 16 plus y square by 4. Square by 16 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, what when the rate of change of abscissa is 4 times its ordinate. So this means that dy by dt rate of change of displacement, rate of change of abscissa, that is dx by dt, is equal to 4 times rate of change of its ordinate. Abscissa is x coordinate, right? Ordinate is y coordinate, right? So rate of change of abscissa is 4 times the ordinate means dy by dt. This will cancel. From this 1 by 4 is equal to dy by dx. Isn't it, guys? Rate of change of abscissa is equal to 4 times the ordinate. Dx by dt is equal to 4 times dy by dt. If I differentiate this, you get 1 by 16 2x into dy by dx plus 1 upon 4 differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. You get this as x by 8 into dy by dx. Dy by dx is 1 by 4 plus y by 2. Differentiation of x is 1 only, right? One by 16 differentiation of x square is 2x plus 1 by 4 differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Differentiation of 1 is 0. X by 8 plus y by 2 dy by dx is 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and from this I can write x by 8 is equal to minus y by 8. This will cancel, you get y is equal to minus x. If I put y is equal to minus x in equation 1, okay, equation 1 becomes x square by 16. Y is equal to minus x means x square by 4 is equal to 1. LCM is 16. You get this as x square plus 4y square is equal to 1. 5x square is equal to 16. X square is equal to 16 by 5. So x is equal to plus minus 4 by root 5. Plus minus root by 4 by root 5. Y is equal to minus x, right? So y is equal to minus plus. Y is equal to minus plus. Minus of this is plus minus 4 by root 5. This becomes minus plus 4 by root 5. Okay, so what are the points now? Therefore, the points will be equal to, therefore the points are plus minus 4 by root 5, comma minus plus 4 by root 5. Right, so two cases will be there. You will get 4 by root 5 minus 4 by root 5. Okay, and another case will be equal to minus 4 by root 5 and plus 4 by root 5. This will be equal to plus minus and minus plus. Okay, so if I take like this should be plus plus, this will be minus plus. In third quadrant both are negative, and then this will be plus minus. I have a plus minus will be fourth quadrant and minus plus will be second quadrant. So second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Second quadrant or fourth quadrant. Answer is option C. Right? Varun, Comet K paper will be level will be little higher than the KCET level. But the number of people writing KCET, Comet K is lesser than the number of people writing KCET. Right? KCET this time 2,60,000 registered. Yesterday 2,40,000 something students have written the exam. Comet K around 80,000 or close to 1 lakh only will write. Right, so competition is less than Comet K, but paper will be level will be little more than the KCET level, but lesser than IIT only. Don't worry. If I complete the squares, x square minus 2x plus 5 can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. So this is x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. Root of 2 square plus x minus 1 the whole square. Right, this is of the form root of a square plus x square. Okay, x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of a square plus x square and plus c. So if I use this formula, this will be equal to x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus x square plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2 into log of x plus root of a square plus x square, that is 2 square plus x minus 1 the whole square and plus c. This is x minus 1 by 2 into root of, this fellow is again 5 minus 2x plus x square plus this is equal to 2 log of x minus 1 plus root of 5 minus 2x plus x square plus c. Right, answer is option D. Yes guys, in NCERT only you have done, right? So it is root of a square plus x square formula. It's a direct question. Question number 16. Yeah, this is little good. This is a good question. See, whenever you have integrals of the form dx divided by a plus b cos square and dx divided by a plus b sin square, a plus b sin square and dx divided by a cos square plus b sin square plus c, dx divided by a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. You have to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So if I divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, integration of 1 by cos is sec, so you get sec square x dx divided by 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square x plus 3 times sin square by cos square is tan square plus 8. Alright, so this is not going to help you out. I'll write this as sec square x dx divided by sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x plus 8. So sec square x dx divided by 9 plus 4 tan square x. 4 I'll take outside, this is 1 by 4. Integration of sec square x dx, this is 9 by 4 plus tan square x. Okay, so this is 1 by 4 sec square x dx divided by 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 the whole square plus tan square x. Here I'll put tan x is equal to t. Why to write one more step? I put tan x is equal to t, this is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so this is sec square x dx is dt. This is t square. A square plus x square formula will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by 4, so this is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a tan inverse of t divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 6 tan inverse of 2 by 3. T value is tan x and plus c. So this is 1 by 6 tan inverse of 2 by 3 tan x plus c. Answer is option D. Isn't it, guys? Question number 16. That was little challenging. It's a old syllabus, old PU syllabus. That was there. Integrals of the form a plus b cos square, a plus b sin square. Alright, now this, if I directly separate and integrate 0 to 2 x cube dx, no shortcut can be applied. Plus 3 times integration of minus 2 to 0, and then you get x square dx. 3 times integration of minus 2 to 0, x into dx. Plus 3 is a constant. Integration minus 2 to 0 dx. Okay, this is some error here. Just a sec. Question number 16, right? There is no x here. It is x plus 1 into cos of x plus 1 dx. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 plus x plus 1 cos of x plus 1 dx. Yes, there's no x here. Plus 3 into dx plus integration of minus 2 to 0. This is x plus 1, and then you get cos of x plus 1 dx. Okay, now integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Integration of x is x square by 2. Yes, Vaibhav. Okay. 14th is it? Okay. Tell me, Vaibhav. D only, right? X by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus 2 log of. Answer is option A. Sorry. Option A. Option A. Not B. A. Isn't it, Vaibhav? Option A only. Yeah. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16. So now if I use integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Dx is x between the limits minus 2 to 0. Here I'll use by parts. First function integral of second function. Okay. Minus integral of second. That is sine of x plus 1. And differentiation of x plus 1 is 1. This is 1 by 4, upper limit is 0, lower limit minus 2 per 4 is 16. This will cancel, upper limit is 0, minus 2 the whole cube is minus 2, so this is minus 2 cube is minus 8, so this plus 8. 3 by 2 upper limit is 0, minus 2 square is 4. Upper limit is 0, minus and minus is plus. Upper limit, this is x plus 1 into sine of x plus 1 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Integration of sine is minus cos. This is plus cos of x plus 1 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Minus 4 plus 8. Minus this will cancel 2 times minus 6. Okay, plus 6. Plus if I substitute upper limit, you will get this as sine 1. Minus lower limit is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, right? This is minus 1 into sine of minus 1. Upper limit will be equal to 0 means cos 1. Lower limit is cos of minus 1 will be plus 1 only. Anyways, this will cancel. This will cancel. You get 4 plus sine 1. Okay, minus sine 1. This will cancel. Answer is plus 4. Isn't it, guys? Answer is option D only. Right. Question number 17. I is equal to 0 to pi. The x into tan can be written as sine by cos, right? Divided by c can be written as 1 by cos. And c can be written as 1 by sine. Anyways, this will cancel. This is 0 to pi x into sine square x dx. Okay, called equation 1. See, if you want, you can write sine square as 1 minus sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and use by parts. Or I can use the property. I can use the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi. This is pi minus x. And then you get sine square of pi minus x dx. Okay, I is equal to 0 to pi. Pi minus x. And then you get sine square x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi. Pi into sine square x. minus integration 0 to pi. This is x into sine square x dx. This is same as I. Shift here, it will be 2i. Pi is a constant. Integration 0 to pi. Sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so this is I is equal to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi and pi by 4, right? 2 comes here, so this is pi by 4. 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, now I is equal to pi by 4 into a bracket. Integration of dx is x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Between the limits is 0 to pi. Upper limit is pi minus sin 2 pi by 2. Lower limit both are 0. Sin 0 0, x is 0. Okay, this will cancel. Sin pi is also 0. I get pi square by 4. Sin 180 is also 0. You get pi square by 4. Answer is option C. Or you write sin square x is 1 minus here itself. Okay, let me just write here. Here itself you can write that I is equal to 0 to pi. X into sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Take half outside and use by parts. You still get answer pi square by 4 only. Okay, question number 18. If I square on both sides, it's a very simple question. Mod of a plus b the whole square is equal to mod of a minus b the whole square, right? Mod of, if I square this, you get a square plus b square plus 2 times a dot b is equal to, this is a square plus b square minus 2 times a dot b. This will cancel. 4 times a dot b is equal to 0. 4 is a constant, you shift on the right side. A dot b is 0. A dot b is 0 means a is perpendicular to b. A and b are perpendicular. Answer is option B. Okay, question number 19. What is component of a in the direction of this vector? A is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay, n cap is equal to vector a divided by its magnitude. This is I plus j plus 2k divided by magnitude of, this is root 6, right? Root of 1 plus 1 plus 2 square is 4. Magnitude of this is root 6. So this is 1 by root 6 into I, 1 by root 6 into j, and 2 by root 6 into k. Component of I in the direction. So component of I cap, component of I cap is equal to 1 by root 6. So this is multiply and divide by root 6. This will be root 6 by 6. Answer is option A. Is that okay, guys? Question number 20. In the interval 0 pi by 2, I should find area bounded between tan x and cot x and x axis. This will be tan graph, right? Tan 0 will be 0, and then tan pi will be 0, and tan 90 is not defined. This is pi by 2. Tan 0 will be 0, it goes close to pi by 2, but it doesn't touch. Okay, and then cot is 0 is not defined, and cot 90 is 0. Tan and cot will cut at 45 only. Correct, this area I'm supposed to find out. So this is tan x, and this is cot x. So if I take the tan graph and cot graph, 0 to 45, 0 to 45 will be tan x. Okay, and then 45 to pi by 2 will be cot x. Okay, now area is equal to integration of tan x is log sec x between the limit 0 to pi by 4. Integration of cot x is log sin x between the limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, area is equal to log of sec 45 is root 2 minus log of sec 0 is 1, and upper limit sin 91 log of root 2. Log sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, anyways, this will cancel. Log m minus log n is log m by n, right? Log of root 2 by 1 by root 2. This goes to numerator as log of root 2 into root 2 is 2. Answer will be log 2, first option. Okay, question number 21. Even this is NCERT exemplar question. I did in most expected MCQs. This is 0. Y is equal to x plus 1. That is when x is 0, y is 1. Area bounded by x is equal to 3 and x equal to 5. This is x, this is y. This area I am supposed to find out. Okay, this line is y is equal to x plus 1. Area is equal to integration of 3 to 5 and x plus 1 dx. Okay, area is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 3 to 5. Area is equal to half of upper limit is 5 plus 1 the whole square, that is 6 square. Lower limit is 3 plus 1 the whole square is 4 square. So this is 36 minus 16, which is half of 20, which is equal to 10 square units. Answer is option B. Okay, question number 22. If a curve passes through the point 1, 1 and at any point x, y on the curve, this is NCERT question only. Slope of its tangent and x coordinate, that is x into dy by dx. Slope of the tangent and x coordinate is equal to y coordinate is equal to y. Then the curve also passes through the point. Dy by y is equal to dx by x. Now if I integrate, you get dy by y is equal to integration of dx by x and then plus c, isn't it, guys? Integration of 1 by x is 1 by y is log y, right? 1 by x is log x. C can be written as log c. Now log y is equal to, this is log of cx. Now if I equate, you will get this as log y is equal to log m. So log y is equal to log cx is same as y equal to cx. Y equal to cx you call equation 1. Now it is passing through the point 1, 1, right? So if I put x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, you will get c is equal to 1. Substitute back in equation 1, you will get y is equal to x. So the question is, the curve also passes through the point. It cannot be this. It should be 2, 2. Because only 2 will be equal to 2. If I take the points and substitute in the final answer, 2 is equal to 2. Answer option B only. Curve passes through the point. Curve also passes through the point 2, 2 only. Question number 23. What is degree of the differential equation? See, if you want to find the degree of a differential equation, it should be free from radicals and fractions. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 1 plus d square y upon dx square whole to the power of 1 by 3. If you cube on both the sides, you get 1 plus dy by dx the whole square plus d square y upon dx square whole square, okay, whole cube is equal to 1 plus dy by d square y by dx square, right? So if I cube this, So obviously if I use a plus b plus c the whole cube, what it may be, there'll be one of the terms will be d square y by dx square whole cube. One of the terms, this will be equal to d square y upon dx square whole power 6. So degree should be equal to 6. Order 2 degree is 6. So he's asking what a degree. Degree will be 6. Answer is option B. Okay, question number 24. Equation of a plane passing through the points. See, actually this is the plane formula. This is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2. This fellow is x3, y3 and z3. Equation of a plane passing through 3 points is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1. Sorry guys, by mistake I deleted. Okay, so this is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2 and z2. This is x3, y3 and z3. See, you substitute in this, you get x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. x2 minus x1 is 1, y2 minus y1 is 1, z2 minus z1 is minus 2. x3 minus x1 is 1, y3 minus y1 is 0, z3 minus z1 is 7. You expand, you get the answer. Or you take this point, you take any one of the points, so 2, 1, 0 and substitute in the options. You will get this 2 minus 9 minus 1 minus 5. No, it won't be 0. If I substitute here, it will not satisfy. This will not satisfy. But if I substitute here, you get 12 minus 3 plus 2 minus 7. No, it doesn't satisfy. Let me check. Wait. If I take 2 comma 1 comma 0 and substitute here, x is equal to 2 means 14, y is equal to 1 means this will be 9, z is anywhere 0 minus 5. So this is 14 minus 14 equal to 0. Only A will satisfy. Remaining options you substitute, none of the options will satisfy. Even if I find a regular method also, if I substitute in the formula and simplify, you will get the first option only. Within 30 seconds you get the answer. This is 7 plus 2 plus z into minus 1 equal to 0. So there were very few questions where you could apply the shortcut. Minus 14 minus 9, right? So this is minus 9y plus 9 minus z equal to 0. So equation of the plane is 7x minus 9y minus z minus 5 is equal to 0. That's the first option only. Or you take that first point, substitute in the options, only A will satisfy. Question number 25. The point of intersection of line and the plane. Okay, so this is the plane. Plane equation is 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 10. There's a similar question in miscellaneous workload example in the textbook. The point of intersection of line and the plane. So first write this line in order. X plus 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 3. Take minus common. You get z minus 2 divided by 2. That is x plus 1, y plus 3 by 3, z minus 2 by minus 2 is equal to lambda. Okay, here the general point, if I cross multiply, you will get lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 3, minus 2 lambda plus 2. Okay, now n lies on the plane, right? If I substitute n lies on the plane, if I substitute in equation 1, if I substitute in equation 1, you will get this as 3 into lambda minus 1 plus 4 into 3 lambda minus 3 plus 5 into minus 2 lambda plus 2 is equal to 10. There is 3 lambda minus 3 plus 12 lambda minus 12 minus 10 lambda plus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, now you get 5 lambda is equal to 15, lambda is equal to 3. Now this n will be equal to lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 2. So this is 2, this will be 3, 3 is 9, right? 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 and then minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. 2, 6 minus 4, answer is option D. Okay, question number 26. If 2, 3 minus 1 is the foot of the perpendicular, if 2, 3, minus 1 is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 4, 2, 1. Foot of the perpendicular means this should be 90 degree. What is the equation of the plane? What are drs of this line joining 2 points? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So drs are minus 2, 1 and minus 2. That's right, this is ABC. This is x1, y1, z1. I'm supposed to find equation of the plane. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. That is, a is equal to minus 2 into x minus x1, b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is minus 2x plus 4 plus y minus 3 minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. So you get minus 2x plus y minus 2z minus 1 equal to 0. If I change the sign, you get 2x minus y plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. Answer is option D only. Right? Answer is option D. Question number 27. See, this Lagrange's identity we did in the previous PYQs as well. Dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square. So this is dot the whole square cross the whole square is mod A square into mod B square is equal to 144. Mod A is equal to 4, so this is 16, and then this is modulus of B the whole square is equal to 144. This will cancel 16 9 times. 16 into 9 is 144. Modulus of B is equal to 3. Answer is option 3. Use Lagrange's identity. Relation between dot and cross. Dot the whole square, cross the whole square is mod A square into mod B square. Okay, question number 28. So this question is a good problem. A plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0 is equal to null vector. You call equation 1. I'm supposed to find out what is lambda times b cross c and then equate and get the value of lambda. If I take cross product with b, take cross product with vector b, this will be equal to b cross a plus 0, right? B cross b is 0. This is 3 times b cross c is equal to 0. Null matrix is equal to null vector. Now from this I can write 3 times b cross a, 3 times b cross c is equal to minus of b cross a. Okay, so 3 times b cross c is equal to minus of b cross a will be a cross b. Right, so I got the value of a cross b in terms of b cross c. Same thing, take the cross product with c now. Take cross product with c. With c, this should be c cross a plus 2 times c cross b is equal to null vector because c cross c is 0. So I can write this as c cross a is equal to minus 2 times c cross b. Now the c cross a is equal to 2 times B cross C. Okay, if I substitute in equation 1 becomes A cross B is equal to 3 times B cross C, plus this is B cross C, and then plus C cross A will be equal to 2 times B cross C is equal to lambda times B cross C. Okay, if I add this, you get 6 times B cross C is equal to lambda times B cross C. This will cancel. You will get lambda is equal to 6. Answer is option A only. Right, question number 29. We know that L is equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. Isn't it, guys? So if a line makes an angle pi by 3 with each of x and y axis, and then the acute angle z with then the acute angle made by z axis is L is equal to cos pi by 3, N equal to cos pi by 3, and N equal to cos gamma. So cos 60 is half. Here also cos 60 is half, and N is equal to cos gamma. L square plus m square plus n square is 1. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 minus 1 by 2. So cos square gamma is equal to 1 by 2. Cos gamma is equal to 1 by root 2. Gamma should be equal to 45. Answer is option A. 29 is option A only. Sahil, option A, right? Okay. Question number 30. Length of the perpendicular. Here also you can't apply any shortcut. Length of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 minus 1 11 to this line, that is x by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Let this be equal to lambda. If I cross multiply, this is foot of the perpendicular. General point on this line is 2 lambda, 3 lambda plus 2, and 4 lambda plus 3. So drs of this will be 2, 3, 4. And drs of line joining 2 points will be equal to 2 lambda minus 3, 3 lambda plus 3, and 4 lambda minus 8. 3 minus 11 is minus 8 only. Because 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. That's right. If I multiply the drs now, you will get 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 3 plus 4 into 4 lambda minus 8 is equal to 0. That is, you get 4 lambda minus 6 plus 9 lambda plus 9. 16 lambda minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is 29 lambda minus 29 is equal to 0. Minus plus 3, 29. Yes, lambda 29 lambda is equal to 29. Lambda is equal to 1. So if I substitute here, you get 2 comma 5 comma 7. Now Pn is equal to root of 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus n minus plus 1 the whole square, 7 minus 11 the whole square. This will be equal to root of 1 plus 36 plus 16 is root of 53. That's the first option. Alright, I'll stop here, guys. So we have done 30 questions in part 1. Part 2 I'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I have scheduled the class at 11 a.m. Right, so we will continue this paper tomorrow at 11 a.m. That is part 2. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed the channel, please enable the bell icon and so that you subscribe the channel so you get notification of all our classes, guys. If you already subscribed, please do share this video. Thank you. Thanks for joining.